Kristina. So I have a little treat for you today. We've been asked to do a review. This is the Sensibo Pure, the Smart Sensing Air Purifier. So that's really cool. I can't wait to show you that. I have a really cool outfit on today that I want to show you. I just think this is so cute. Such a cool fall look, or even like, I don't know, like trolling around New York City even. I just think it's such a showstopper. But yeah, it's casual. It's adorable. I'm going to do a little turn. So, love this color of our boots. These are the Leviticus 2.0 with the buckle. It's a gold buckle. These are the timber fins, I believe. They are really pretty. I love the color. They're just gorgeous. They're gonna go with everything. I'm wearing a pair of Spanx. They are green, like olivey snake skin. They are really nice. Just holds you in, and they're just a great material, and they're really comfortable, and they're just super cute. They even have a nice little sheen to them right there. So yeah, shout out to Spanx, gorgeous. And I just have this cute little like fall top from Veramoda. I believe that's how you pronounce it. But yeah, like really, really cute outfit. I paired it with this like little bedazzled jeweled necklace, and I just think it looks really, really cool. Looks really nice. I love it. This is one of my new favorite casual outfits. So anyway, I'm gonna show you the Sensibo Pure. I'm just gonna stand up while I open it because it's kind of tall. So I think this is our, yeah, so this is our plug. Just put that over there. Okay. Let's see here. Oh my. All right, this is a lot. Okay, so we're unboxing it. Don't want to drop this. Okay, I'm gonna put that over there. Sorry, I have to keep my phone because you actually do need your phone, which I'll show you, so that's pretty cool. We'll just do a little bit of that. That can go in there. Okay, so I'm going to put it like so. All right, so it's got the fan in it. All right, let's see here. 1 second. So I have to plug this in. I'm seeing the outlet. Okay, so here is where you plug it in. It's very simple. It's a little small hole for the little, like so, little cord, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and do that. It's probably gonna dangle over me a little bit, but that's okay. Let's see if we stretch here. Okay, all right. It should be, there we go, okay. And it emits a nice little blue light, so that's kind of nice. Like a night light even, which would be really nice, like for your kids and everything. Okay. Oh, it changes color. That's cool. I didn't see that before. Okay. So, oh, it's totally changing color. That's neat. Okay. So that's a new feature. I didn't see that before. So it changes color, which is super fun, again, for kids and everything. So that's neat. Okay, so let's see. So you download the app, so the Sensibo Pure app, okay? And you can control everything from your app. So it will say like you can pick whatever room you want. So like you could do like Kristina's living room, or Kristina's dining room, or Kristina's kitchen. So we're gonna boost now, okay? So turn on Pure Boost for 20 minutes. And it's very quiet. It doesn't really make a lot of noise, which is really nice. And then it's definitely working. I can feel it. But yeah, it delivers, you know, purified air, which is really cool. And it's just better for like better breathing, like for people with asthma. Obviously we're in a global pandemic right now, so for people that just want to breathe better, there's that. What else? Let's see. So it is the world's most advanced smart air purifier, okay? It is powered by Pure Boost that gives smart protection against viruses. So that's really cool. So again, obviously coronavirus is a virus, so that's nice. That's a little peace of mind during this global pandemic. So again, like I said, it's controlled by the app, and you can actually use it when you are not home. So that's really cool. So if like your kids are home, or I don't know, your husband or anybody staying at your house and you're not home, you're at work or whatever, and you just want your air to be purified all day long, you can operate that from anywhere. So that's really neat. So it automatically adjusts to its surroundings and operates accordingly. So that's great too. You don't even have to worry about adjusting it or anything. You pretty much just turn it on, you put how much you want to boost it for, and Pure Boost is already enabled, as I said, and fan is on high, light is on, so that's neat too. And what else? Okay, so it's also equipped with smart sensors, and it will measure air quality 24/7. So this is a pretty smart little thing. This is really cool. And again, it's very aesthetically pleasing. It's pretty cute, actually. I love that it changes color. I think that's really neat. And yeah, who doesn't want better air quality? So that's really awesome. So yeah, guys, again, this is Sensibo Pure. It is an air purifier, and it's a really nifty little tool. So yeah, check them out. We're gonna have the link below in the comments, okay? And that's all for today. Kristina out.